Skip's journey to success with unclaimed funds revealed. In the vast world of real estate, Skip, a struggling retiree, felt like a small fish in a vast ocean. He saw the potential in the tax surplus niche and even invested in a course, hoping to unlock its secrets. But every step brought new, unexpected challenges. The lack of knowledge, resources, and mentorship made him feel like he was spinning his wheels, always so close, yet so far from success. The frustration was palpable, and quitting seemed like the only option. But then, a glimmer of hope. A video. A voice of experience. Keith Jones, with over 2 decades in the field, offering not just information, but mentorship. Skip took the leap and joined the coaching program. From the very first orientation call, everything started to click. The pieces of the puzzle fell into place, and the once daunting challenges became surmountable obstacles. With Keith's cold call mastery techniques, Skip's approach transformed. He wasn't just reaching out, he was connecting, resonating, and closing. In just a month, he secured multiple contracts, and the success didn't stop there. From a 5-figure check to a brand new car, Skip's life changed in ways he had only dreamed of. But here's the thing. Skip's journey isn't unique, it's replicable. With Unclaimed Funds, revealed 3.0 by Keith Jones, the power of AI and automation is at your fingertips. Let our advanced CRM and AI conversational appointment booking bot handle the outreach so you can focus on what truly matters, transforming your career and life.